All right, this is a very short video on how to get a Makita impact driver bit out of the MBH Makita driver bit holder. It's in this set. This set comes with a holder, and that holder, there's also an extension in this tube in here, is meant only for these short bits. They don't really say that it's only for those short bits, but that's what it's for. When you take one of these bits and you stick it in there, and since you're watching this video, this is probably why you're here, it gets stuck. It gets stuck in there and it won't come out. And it's because this little indent here and the shake is shorter than these. These don't have this little indent. So how do you get it out? Well, other videos will say you just need to pull harder, and that is true. But the amount of force that you need to apply is extensive. If you have a vise, stick the holder into the vise, maybe wrap it so that it doesn't get hurt. I don't have a vise. So I took some vise grips and I locked it like this, and this bit was in there. And then I took some needle nose pliers and grabbed it and pulled it out. Now when I did that, I was able to see part of that indent, part of this indent. And I was able to put the needle nose pliers tips underneath that indent and actually use it as a lever against this surface. So the amount of force, obviously, with a lever is amplified greatly. And that's what will get this bit out. There's no trick but pushing something in there or listening to ChatGPT and go do this. And they all think you're stuck inside an impact tool, and you're not. So that's how you get it. So you're able to see about that much if this was buried, so about that much. And you can get your needle nose tip pliers under there, and then you just kind of, you stick it like this, and you pry this way. So you go like this. So the plier tip is prying against this surface, pushing that direction.